chado gu konsekyam gyu chimbu chogi kongshi gyakhyap la mikbe jinda jube tse nishu tsanyi ne nishu tsabdun par kongzo nangwe kebe cholengi nin tame to pyo gyu nangtun rikbe kewang kushab Robert Thurman lagi.
And that is because he considers himself the same as the people he talks to.
Konsekyam gyu chimbu chogi chamze lapchatang do mi chigyuri imbe dushe zingube lamdun tamche ni thade thu gyugo imba la tene thare gumbu chogi lapcha kongshi kha gyakhyap yongwe che kebe choling te kuti shu imba sungsong.
That His Holiness has resigned from his political role officially, and he has said that if and when he returns to Tibet, which will be really if, because
Konsekyam gyu chimbu chogi chapsi ki gewang mimang ki tegar yudem chebe guti la na yugyang pyumi rishung minyam gyunzin ki tuge gengur she shimba yinshin nyentang ki thudir ari phyogang ki konsekyam gyu chimbu chogi gya chewe kongshi to kewang ki tolen guti shubar gyu phyogi rishung chesung chawadup shimbar hajang gazo chimbu ke chung. Yang tare toleng to zombo podang semkam rikba wa kushab Daniel Goleman nane.
He says the antidote is transparency, accountability, and an ethic of fairness. He admires
Konsekyam gyu chimbu chogi chamze ni shide tsawa imbatang chise nangse ta changdeng gi jizo shik dumbar mi changmar genti yebe kor ka yang tse nanggi yobani mirab shönba tsö mutu jugyon nang gyugire je songsong. Jizo kangda shi rung jizo tei nang chapsi ta chojo chongdun je dezen changme nang kokso rusung ta tawa ngebe chaju yonggu imba she migyo la. Inayang Khonsa chogi mewo tamba Gandhi thang Martin Luther King tabula ngakchu shu nangi yobani khongzu mizi ripo thangden lat gyabgyon nangi yo za yimbar jizo na mi thangbo gyoge chimbo yimba Khonsa chogi kaze nangi yo.
His Holiness says about the environment. He really says, this is urgent. Earth is our home and Earth is on fire. Lately I noticed
Ya Khonsa chogi khuryu gi kangye theni zamling mimbor therbum dumbo changme maung bata dewa yodap Koryu sungkyop thela mikse gengur gyo batang theyang phe thogang ki koryu ki khene tang zata rangshin ki nebab tho katse nawa ni thöngö su nga ju chame samshi che gyugre.
He says the next century, the 21st century, should end up being a century of dialogue, not of war. He really advocates for seeing
di tseme shiwa tang thömö ki thürap shi tu gyur gyo she konsekyam gyu chimbu chogi lamdö nam nga ju chame ngebar tu lagdar nang gyugre. Thare kebe doling dishin arir tenshi chebe Tibet House am pyogang tang the Lions Roar she nangchö gi lapchang ngoje nangken ki keme chobani ne godi shudula toleng to gui sungyur tang tungji surba pöden gyapgyo wa nangchö keba gomdu ba semkam rikba wa chenik ba thakjen so mina nishul hane nin thu ring konsekyam gyu chimbu chogi khongshi da tuge thamja khagi thela tolen na yubre nyeba dikjo wa nordela da nezu di chokti gi nyedu shuge density gi